You'll often find yourself repeating some tasks in Resolve, like adding a vignette. So let's say I want to add a vignette here. I'm going to come, I'm going to, of course, add a new node first. Grab a window, get it to the right place, feather it, go to nodes, add an outside node, and just adjust the gamma, lower the saturation, and raising the contrast. Now, I don't want to repeat all these steps every time I want to create a new vignette. So what I can do is to create one vignette. You see here the node structure that we created here. I'm going to delete the first node. Now I have these two nodes here creating a vignette. Now I'm going to save these two nodes in order to use them with any other shot that I want. And I'm going to do that by right-clicking and going to grab still. Now, I have this still here that have these nodes. If I go to the still, right-click on the still, and display node graph, you will find that these two nodes were saved in the still. So let's go and apply this to a different shot. I'm going to come to this shot here. Now, let's say that I corrected this shot, like I just added some saturation, I got the gamma up, I've done some things to this shot. Now, if I go to this still section, I'm going to append node graph. So what happened here is that we added the vignette nodes into whatever nodes that we had before. So now these two nodes were appended to the original coloring that we had on this image. So we just added a vignette very fast.